Hi children, how are you? Hope all are doing fine at home. Today we are going to discuss the lesson 7th lesson, animals and their food habits. In unit 1 you have 7th lesson, animals and their food habits. You open page number 45 and see their lesson. See, all children, all animals eat same kinds of food. No, they eat different kinds of food. Yes or no? Different animals eat different types of food. All animals not eat same food. They are eating different types of food. So see about their food habits. We are learning now. Now there are various types of animals in the world. See, there are many animals in this world. So there are many animals, many types of animals are there in the world. Not only one type of animals, many types of animals are there in this world. Okay. Now if you visit a zoo, you will see many kinds of animals. See, if anyone went to zoo means you can see there many kinds of animals. Yes or no? You can observe lion, giraffe, tiger, zebra, all these animals. Again, monkeys, parrot. See these animals you can see in the zoo. All animals are living beings. All animals are living beings. But what they need, living beings? Living beings need air, water, food. Yes or no? They can reproduce. These are called living beings. All animals need air and water, food also. So they are called living beings. Now they too need food to grow and to build up their bodies. Who need food? Like us, animals also need food to build up their bodies. We also need food to get energy. Yes or no? Like that only animals also need food to build their bodies. We also need food to build our bodies and get energy. Now they need food to give them energy and to keep them in good health. Why they need energy? Why they need energy? Sorry, food. Why they need food? They need food to give them energy. We also need food to get energy. Like that only animals also need food to get energy and keep good health. Now different animals require different quantities and types of food. Different animals eating different types of food and different quantities also. Some animals eating more, some animals eating less type of food. Now see, animals need food similar to the food of human beings. Animals also need food as like human beings need food. See, people need food, no, like that only animals also need food. Their food should contain bodybuilding and energy giving food materials. What it should contain? Animals food, they should contain bodybuilding and energy giving food materials. See, whatever that animal is eating, that food should contain these materials, food, energy and body building materials in it. Now see, body builders. See which it is giving? Pulses, sweets, fishes and eggs. If you are eating these, your body is growing very well. Now these animals eating, if animals are eating this, their body also growing very well. Now energy givers, oils, seeds, starch and sugar. Energy who is giving this? Oil, seeds, starch and sugar. Now minerals, in which is their minerals? Leafy vegetables, fruits and soluble salts in water. Minerals are present in leafy vegetables, fruits and solubles in water. Like these, animals need bodybuilders, energy givers, minerals in their food materials. Now animals are divided into 3 groups based on their food habits. Now see, according to their food, what they eat, animals are classified into three types. Animals are divided into three types according to the food what they eat. Now see, first, plant eating animals. What is the first one? Plant eating animals. Second one, you have flesh eating animals, means meat. Flesh eating animals. Now plant and flesh eating animals. Third one is eating both plant and flesh eating animals. First animals, what they are eating? Only plants. They are eating only plants as food. Now second, what they are eating? Flesh, means meat. They are eating only meat of animals. Now third animals, they are eating plant and flesh eating animals. Like this you have three types of animals based on their food habits. According to their food habits, you have these three types of animals: plant eating animals, flesh eating animals, and plant and flesh eating animals. Now see the first one, plant eating animals. See which animals eating plants. See which animals eat plants? Only plants, not meat, not flesh, only eating plants. They are called. Now some animals eat grass and green plants only. What they are eating? Some animals eating grass and green plants only. These plant eating animals are called herbivorous animals. What we are calling, if they are eating only plants, means we are calling as herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals. If animal eating only plants, we are called, then that animal is called as herbivorous animal. See, animals that eats only plants are called herbivorous animals. Now examples, see the examples, which are the animals eating only plants. Now elephant, rabbit, sheep, cow, giraffe, zebra, goat, deer, etc. Now these all animals eating plants only. You can observe here, elephant, goat, pigeon, cow, horse. Yes or no? You can observe these all animals eating only grass. They are called herbivorous animals. Birds like sparrow and dove eat food grains. Birds like sparrow and dove, what they are eating? Only food grains. Now see, the animals who eat only plants are called herbivorous animals. Animals who eat plants is called herbivorous animals. See examples, elephant, goat, pigeon, horse and cow. Again birds. Now turn your page 46, children, and see second one. You have flesh eating animals, means who eats only flesh, who eats only meat. That animals are called flesh eating animals. Now animals that eat only flesh are called flesh eating or carnivorous animals. What we are calling? Carnivorous animals. Who eat plants is called herbivorous animals. Now animals that eat flesh is called carnivorous animals. See example, tiger, lion, wolf, fox, snake, frog, etc. See here in the picture, lion eating a calf. See here, lion eating a calf. Now wolf eating eating flesh and bones. Wolf, what it is eating? Flesh and bones of another animal. It is killing other animal, eating flesh and bones of another animal. So that is belong to carnivorous animals. Now carnivorous animals, what they eat? Only flesh. They eat only flesh. Okay. If they eat only flesh, they are called carnivorous animals. Now see third one, you have both. Yes or no? Plants and flesh eating animals. In third one you have plants and flesh eating animals, both. Means animals who eat plants and meat also. That is called plants and flesh eating animals. Now animals that eat both flesh and plants are called omnivorous animals. What it is? Omnivorous animals. See, animals who eats only plants is called herbivorous animals. Now animals that eat flesh means it is called as carnivorous animals. Now animals who eat both flesh and plants are called omnivorous animals. Now say example, who eating that? Man means human beings are eating both flesh and plants also. Yes or no? Now bear, see here, bear eating fish and plants also. Cat drinking milk and again eating rat. Crow also eating another insects and grass. Now dog eats both flesh and plants also, so it belongs to omnivorous animals. Okay. Now food chain, you have food chain. Now plants are eaten by small animals. Plants, what they eating? Plants, small animals eating these plants. Small animals eat these plants. These animals are eaten by big animals. That small animals are eaten by big animals. Small animals eating plants means these small animals to who eating? These animals. Big animals eating these small animals. Now big animals are eaten by bigger animals. These bigger animals like this. Now big animals are eaten by bigger animals. Now this system is called food chain, like this. Now small animals eating plants. No, plants means small animals are eaten by big animals. That big animals are eaten by bigger animals. Like this food chain is going on. Now rabbit eating plants, grass. See here, rabbit, what it is eating? Grass. Rabbit, in the picture you observe rabbit, what it is eating? Grass in the picture. Yes or no? Now lion, what it is doing? Lion eating rabbit, because it is a small animal. This small animal too, this big animal is eating. Yes or no? Lion is eating rabbit. Now you turn page number 47. Now see. Likewise, a frog eats insects and a snake eats frog. This is also food chain. Like this. Rabbit eating grass means lion is eating rabbit. No, like that only. Frog is eating grass here in the picture. Frog is eating insects, small insects. Then snake is eating frog. Yes or no? Now frog is eating these insects. This frog is small, so this snake is big, so snake is eating frog. Like this is also food chain. Now feeding habits of animals. Next, what you have? Feeding habits of animals. Animals eat different types of food in different ways. How they are eating? In different ways. Not only in one way, they are eating in different ways. Different animals eat in different ways. Now the shape of the mouth, the jaws and the teeth of animals depend upon the kind of food they eat. See, shape of teeth and jaws also different is there in different animals, and how they eat also is different. Now they have special structures, they have different shapes. Now these special structures are suited to their feeding habits. Now special shapes are there to their teeth. Now animals have 3 types of teeth based on their food habits. Now animals have 3 types of teeth also. Till now we learnt about 3 types of animals based on their food habits. Now we have 3 types of teeth based on their food habits. Now see, cutting teeth, sharp and pointed. Now tearing teeth, long pointed and curved. Grinding teeth, broad and flat. Now see, cutting teeth, how it is. Observe in the picture, children. Cutting teeth, how it is sharp. Yes or no? And pointed towards its end. Now tearing teeth, how it is long and pointed and curved. Now grinding broad and flat. See how it is broad, big and flat. Grinding teeth. Now, teeth of herbivores. Herbivores means what they are eating. Animals what they are eating? Only plants. Now see, animals like cows, buffaloes and horse have sharp, flat and thin front teeth to cut the grass and leaves. They have broad, flat back teeth to grind hard parts of plants. Now these animals like cow and buffaloes, how their teeth is? They have grinding teeth, broad and flat teeth to the back side and sharp teeth to the front side. Yes or no? They have thin front to cut the grass and leaves. Why they have these teeth front side? To cut the grass and leaves. They have broad and flat teeth back side to grind the hard parts of the plant. Now see here teeth of horse here. See first how it is sharp and pointed teeth in the front side. Yes or no? And back side how it is broad and flat teeth to grind the hard parts of the plants. Here this plant they are using, these teeth they are using to cut the grass and leaves of the leaves. This part they are using to, back part they are using to grind the hard parts of the plant. See how they are eating food using the teeth. Now these animals at first bite the grass and parts of plants rapidly with their front teeth. What they are doing these animals? These animals first biting the grass and afterward they are rapidly with their front teeth. They are biting the grass with the front teeth and swallowing them quickly, eating them quickly. They eat a lot of food in a short time. This what they are doing. This cow and buffalo is eating more food in short time. When they go to rest, they bring the swallowed food back into their mouth. See, whenever they are sitting like this, they are went to rest like this. What they are doing? They are bringing back the food from their stomach to the mouth and chewing it slowly and using the grinding teeth. Now this is called chewing of the cud. Such animals are called ruminants. What they are called? See, ruminants. Why they are called ruminants? Because whenever they are taking rest, they are bringing their food and eating slowly. These animals are called ruminants. Now these animals have split hooved legs. Now you observe here how animals legs are there here in the picture. Split. Yes or no? Split is their hooved legs. These are the split hooved legs of these animals. Now next part we will discuss in next class, children.